I am so very excited. We are going to be reading a book today, and for the rest of this week, that is a folk tale. And I love folk tales. Folk tales are stories from long ago that have been told over and over. So we're going to look for animals that can act and talk like people, storytelling phrases like long ago, the reason an author tells a story. So make sure as we read that you are making pictures in your mind. I want you to think about how things look, sound, feel, taste, or smell. Think about words about feelings that can help you create those pictures in your mind or those mental images. Bluebird and Coyote. This is a Native American tale as told by James Brunk. I'm going to try my best. James B. Let's just call him James B. And it's illustrated by Chris Lynch. We're going to go with that. Sometimes you just have to do the best job that you can on people's last names. Long ago, Bluebird was not blue. She was gray and dull. How did she get her color? One day, Gray Bird saw a lake. It was beautiful. A blue butterfly was at the lake. So at first, the bird wasn't blue. She was dull. Then she saw a blue lake with a blue butterfly. Let's see. How did you get your color? Asked Gray Bird. It is from the lake, said Butterfly. This is how to get it, said Butterfly. Go in the lake. Do it 4 days in a row. Then thank the lake. I wonder if that will work. So day 1, Bluebird does it. Day 2, day 3, day 4. Gray Bird did this. Then she was blue. Thank you, lake. So it worked. Okay, now we have the coyote. Long ago, Coyote was green. Coyote saw Bluebird. How did you get your color? Asked Coyote. I will tell you, said Bluebird, and she did. Coyote went in the lake, but he did all 4 dips in one day. Once he was blue, Coyote got out. He did not thank the lake. So did he follow the directions? Nope. You were supposed to do it for 4 days. And then you were supposed to thank the lake, and he did not. Let's see if there's going to be a consequence to that. Coyote ran off to tell his friends, but Coyote fell. He went down, down, down a big hill. Coyote got up. Now he was all dusty and dull. To this day, Bluebird is blue and Coyote is a dusty gray.